Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix 500 internal server error on Google Chrome. Alright, let's begin. First, open Google Chrome on your Android device. Make sure the URL you are entering is correct. A small typo in the web address can sometimes trigger a 500 internal server error. Also, check if the website you are visiting is banned in your country. If it is, the error might appear because of restricted access. If the site is not banned and the error persists, tap the three-dot icon at the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Look for the Always Use Secure Connection option and turn it off. Next, scroll down and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data and set the time range to All Time. Once selected, tap on Delete Data and confirm by tapping Delete again at the bottom right. After clearing the data, relaunch Chrome and try accessing the website again. These steps should help resolve the error by eliminating cache data and adjusting secure connection settings that might be interfering with the page load. So that's basically how you can fix 500 internal server error on Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.